Aloha, we are recording from Hawaii. Let's get these formalities out of the way. So this is not financial advice. Nothing I say is intended to be financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. So let's get into how to use Kava Swap. Well, as you can see, this is the URL that you want to enter, kava.io. We've got products, highlights mint, lend, and swap, resources, documentation, GitHub, and just a little bit about the company. But what we're interested in, particularly with Kava Swap, is this little button up here, the app. So when we click on app, it's going to ask us to connect our wallet. I'm going to be using Trust Wallet through Wallet Connect, but you can also use your ledger if you. So there we are. It loads us onto the main Kava page. This is the mint screen. We've got lend and swap. Now I'm using a new wallet for this, so I haven't added anything to it. But what I do have is 0.9 Kava that we'll play around with. So here we are in Kava Swap. Just a little overview. Swap, you select which coins you want to transfer to. Got liquidity where you can add and remove liquidity, and then these are the pools. This is where you make the money. Binance USDX, Kava USDX, Swap USDX, Bitcoin, Binance USDX, BNB USDX, XRPB USDX, and Hard USDX. Clicking swap to go back. And down here, this is your rewards. When you provide liquidity to these liquidity pools so people can trade back and forth, you earn rewards. Those rewards can be claimed down here. Once there's rewards to be claimed, you click the claim button, and then you can claim your rewards. Down here, I do not have any current active vesting periods. However, once you claim your rewards, you can choose to lock your rewards up for either 1 month or 1 year. Locking them up for 1 year, you get a higher return, and they're locked up for a period. The vesting period ends on the 1st and the 15th of each month. So any rewards you claim from 1 to 15 September, for example, you'd be able to claim for the 12-month vesting period. You would be able to claim those and actually unlock them 15 September 2022. So let's get into the meat of it. I'm going to select Kava. As you can see the balance down here, I have 0.9 Kava. I select another coin, USDX, into the stable coin used on this platform. Since we're going to be providing a little bit of liquidity, we're going to 0.4. That will give me $3.16 worth of USDX, 3.14 USDX. Down here, this shows minimum received due to slippage, etc., etc. We're gonna use no network fee. So we select swap, go to our mobile device. It's asking us to confirm the transaction. We confirm. I use my little fingerprint to confirm it. And as you can see, it's processing. It's going to take a little bit. But these transactions are very fast. So when I say a little bit, I mean a little bit, not 25 minutes for a transaction. As it's processing, once it's complete, it'll say complete. We can confirmed. We can view on Mint Scan. It'll bring it up. Here it'll show us all of our transaction details and information. So we click done. Well, now what are we going to do? Now we can add liquidity. So we select the coins. We've got USDX and we have Kava. We have half a Kava. We have 3.144505 USDX. So we're going to select max to provide the most liquidity. That will vest 0.3994. So as you look here, down here, this is the pool share. However, we're only vesting $6 and some change, so we don't even have 0.01%. So again, we select zero network fee and select add liquidity. A side note, and it's mentioned down here, liquidity providers earn a portion of the fees on trades in their pools, which can be claimed instantly when removing liquidity. Users also earn swap rewards, which can be claimed below. Now, a little side note, by providing liquidity, every fee that is charged during a swap, we'll do that again, Kava, Max, USDX, liquidity provider fee. This fee gets redistributed into the liquidity pool amongst all stakers in the pool, or liquidity providers. So upon withdraw from any liquidity pool, you earn your portion of those fees. Back here, provide liquidity, add liquidity, it's asking for a confirmation. We confirm, it processes, and then we wait. Done. Now we go up here and view pools. And as you can see, our liquidity is automatically added to these pools. You can see here, Kava USDX, pool share, since we have such a small amount in there, it's such a small amount of the pool, it doesn't register. Rewards API, this is the money. 336.42%. Now this changes constantly throughout the day. Sometimes it's higher. This is the lowest I've actually seen this one. So this is where we make the money. On top of fees provided by those conducting transactions in the swap, we get those fees as well when we withdraw from our liquidity pools. This is the amount of Kava and USDX we have. Can add or remove from there. So that's how to use Kava Swap. You can understand with Kava Swap and these percentages, there's a lot of money to be made, and you can actually have your money work for you. One of the big things, depending on your risk tolerance, they actually have a stablecoin to stablecoin pool. So we don't have to worry about impermanent loss with this pool. Before entering any liquidity pools, I highly recommend each and every one of you to look up the definition of impermanent loss. However, with this stablecoin to stablecoin liquidity pool, we do not have to worry about any impermanent loss. And 139.23% rewards APY plus any liquidity provider fees. This is where you can stake any rewards and earnings after you cash out from this major bull run, or stack some extra cash in there and earn 139%. And look at that. We already have 0.0001 swap off of $6 and change in the Kava USDX liquidity pool. So that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed this little informational video on how to use Kava Swap. We will do videos in the future on mint and lend and understand how you can make your money work for you. This is DeFi Tactics. I'm Eric Crook. We're out.